Alright guys, we're at Aaron's house. I've gotten him a gift on Amazon. He's in front right now. We're gonna surprise him. Guess what time it is? It's gift for Aaron time! Yay! Aaron's.
Hang on, I gotta solve some shit.
Oh, I think I stepped in it. What? We gotta clean this up. This is the issue right now. The raccoons have gotten in the garbage and taken the barbecue sauce out.
They got it everywhere too.
So,
Simple Green in purple format. That's the contains oil lift. Not that it really works any better. To be honest, there's better products for the driveway, but I wanted to try it. Simple Green is just a good environmentally friendly cleaner.
because this is barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna try and get this gun because this is all brake fluid. My bad. And that's brake fluid and that's brake fluid. There's a lot of brake fluid. Over here is brake fluid. You remember the nighttime video? A lot of brake. Ah! Watch this guy go. There too. Here. Good job, man.
Okay, we soon can get to gift.
Gift for Aaron time soon come. Time with Aaron. Let's make this more cinematic, bro. Present time with Aaron. Present time with Aaron.
Thanks for choosing Arco Pow.
Listen, don't read the names. Just take the present out.
Arco Pow.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This is a present for me, so that Scott gets to turn less bolts when he's fixing his car.
Look at this. Is that?
It even comes with extensions and adaptators. Arco Pro. It actually has pretty significant feel to it.
It's got the
head is
same
pretty
battery
decent.
as your Makita's.
Yes, I figured as much. It's got a lock on. I'm not sure exactly how long you'd be turning a bolt in order to...
Lock on?
Oh, it's got a lock out. Okay, it either locks on or it locks out. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. Technically leave a battery in there.
Look, it's the same color as a Makita too.
So
that means
take
it's
the shit out of
Makita.
the van and grab a battery.
That means it's Makita, bro. Is this unlocked? It's unlocked. Is this? Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much.
6-year-old painted Ford door nut. What do you think?
Is this new tool gonna work? Go.
Right away.
No way!
Right away, without even slowing down.
Yo!
It pulled. I'm pretty impressed, man. That honestly felt like it could break the freaking bolt as I was tightening it.
Try this one right here.
Oh, that's weird. It's got a torque on that side, but it's got a nut on this side.
Yeah, it looks like a 17 or a 15. 15?
13?
15.
14. Okay, no arm, just power. An M10? Now I done screwed myself.
Wow, bro.
And it's got a shut off. It says brushless.
It is. Its rating is better and worse than the Makita. It is 75 foot-pounds as to Makita's 35 foot-pounds, right? But by the rating they gave us, by the ratings they've given us, it is 75 foot-pounds compared to Makita's 35 foot-pound, right? But Makita's goes to 800 RPM and this one goes to 200 RPM.
So you got the slow one, is what you're saying.
That's what you just took away from this?
Scott's Lots missions, or what?
That's what you just took away from this?
That's what I took away from.
I'm walking away. What are you taking off now?
I mean, I don't expect this to break it on its own. These are torqued to like 100, I think.
It said 75. I just told you that.
So yeah, I don't expect it to break it on its own. It's pretty good.
It just took your wheel off, man. This is the first time that I've ever seen Aaron get something and then proceed to take every single bolt he can find in his proximity off with
Not
it.
every single, 3 or 4.
But now look, he's sitting here just holding it, playing with it. Aaron actually likes it. That was a fun time with Aaron gift day. All right, back to what I was doing.